thanks for coming to the talk. And I know it's slightly later in the day, everyone might be a little tired. So let's introduce a much more interesting topic, transformer networks, how they work and why they work. Before I go deep into it, I just want to bring a little bit of evolution path of it, how we reached to transformers. So early 2010s, the days of word to vec, Thomas Michelot, and there were some great pieces of work which started to encode all the information, text information, into embeddings, just large vectors, a lot of numbers, which were really capturing a more dense semantic meaning. And that started to reflect very well with glove vectors, which was a Stanford project. So all the news media organizations, anyone who was really looking at how a piece of text works, started to look at these embeddings. And embeddings started to emerge as the key center for most of the research from that point on. And then RNNs, recurrent neural networks, and LSTM, long short-term memory networks, they started to incorporate them into larger tasks. The keyword over here is sequence to sequence, which is the input is a sequence, output is a sequence. So from a sentence, I am trying to generate a new sentence. First sentence is a sequence of words, second sentence is a sequence of words. These models were showing great performance, particularly in language translation, and language translation being one of the key ones, and then also completing the sentences, so the generative aspect of it. Around 2017, a little before that, some papers started to introduce the concept of attention mechanisms. I'll go over it in more detail. But attention mechanisms were saying, okay, within the way the neural network works, let us try to have a more nuanced way of looking at some of the input rather than all of it, or just being more focused on a few pieces. In 2017, this beautiful paper came out for the transformers saying attention is all you need, where they said, okay, how about we build the architecture of a neural net such that it's not doing everything from the previous settings, it's actually just leveraging this quality of attention. So focus on the things that matter and leverage them in the way. And today, everyone is using GPT, which has made it way more famous, but BERT was the early entry into it, and then VIT, Vision Transformer. They are redefining the era of AI, and the current boom that we have been experiencing for the past 1.5 years is all thanks to transformers.